Let's chat briefly about this color platinum. This is my first experience with Platinum by Toni Brattin. So what you're going to find here is a nice creamy platinum. It's almost a white, but it is tempered a little with like a baby gold blonde. Now that's not enough to warm this up. This is a very cool color. Now I do notice that there is a bit of root on this, and this is just a soft shades root. It's very subtle and it just blends right in. This is more of a light brown or dark blonde root. So it's not in stark contrast to the color. And this will make so many of you happy. I really feel like this color would be great if you're transitioning to gray. There's enough platinum to give that effect.